In a bustling city, amidst towering buildings and bustling streets, lived a little girl named Ella. Ella loved music, but she was shy and wouldn't sing in front of anyone. Her voice, she believed, was just like a tiny sparrow's chirp, lost in the city's loud symphony. One rainy afternoon, while exploring her attic, Ella stumbled upon a dusty old music box. As she cranked it open, a faint, enchanting melody filled the air. It was unlike any music she had ever heard, filled with a yearning sweetness. The melody captivated Ella. She longed to discover its source, to learn the rest of the song. With the music box tucked safely in her pocket, she ventured out into the rain-soaked city. She asked the bustling vendors, the friendly park pigeons, even the grumpy old man who lived across the street, but no one knew the song, no one could help her piece together the lost melody. As dusk settled, feeling discouraged, Ella sat on a park bench, the music box clutched in her hand. Suddenly, a ginger cat with bright green eyes appeared, its fur glistening with raindrops. It sat beside her, its gaze fixed on the music box. "Ella, do you know this song, Mr. Cat?" To her surprise, the cat purred and nudged the music box with its paw. As if by magic, the melody began to play again, but this time it was different. It was different. It was a continuation of the song, a new verse filled with hope and joy. In that moment, a wave of confidence washed over Ella. Inspired by the cat's guidance and the incomplete melody's message of hope, she raised her voice and began to sing. Her voice, though small at first, grew stronger as she sang, blending with the music box's melody. People stopped in their tracks, captivated by the unique and heartfelt song. Soon, the entire street was filled with the sound of Ella's voice and the music box, a symphony of hope and courage resonating through the city. That day, Ella discovered that her voice, like the sparrow's chirp, had its own unique beauty, and through sharing her gift, she found her confidence and filled the bustling city with a melody of joy.